This will be a brief introduction to the web-based version of Mind Your Own Listings. It's kind of a supplement to the desktop application. It's not as full-featured, but it has quite a bit of capabilities. Looking at the grid style, which is just like you'd see in the desktop version, you can sort on column headings by clicking on a column and click the same column heading again to sort in the opposite direction, like I just sorted on bedrooms. You can filter in a variety of ways by choosing from the drop-down list next to each column header. You could filter that way. And you see that it's created a filter for me. I could clear it, or I could add a new condition. I could edit the filter. And I could choose to say a list price is less than or equal to. We'll put in the value here of 300,000. And so we've limited. Now I just have two properties. So I'll clear that filter. And so you can also filter by entering text. For example, I'm going to enter Cambridge. And click search. And this finds two listings. Now one you can see that it's in the street address, the word Cambridge, but the other one we don't see it in any of these columns that are displayed right now. But if I look at the property, we'll see that it's in the city of Cambridge. So long as I've opened up a record for viewing, you can see it also looks very similar to the desktop application. We have photos that are related to the property. We can have features that are linked or related to the property as well. We can see buyers that might be interested, prospective buyers for the property. You can see an agent or agents. We have more than one agent with a property listing. Any activity, for example, call the termite inspector related to the property. You include sales history. This might be the initial price. Schools that are that property would attend, students or children of the parents would attend at the school. You can have a list of sellers. This can be more than one person as well. And in showings. These be open houses or by appointment, things like that. But because I'm logged in as an administrator, I could also edit this listing. We have guest accounts created where you can have your customers go to this website and view only and see the same type of information as you're seeing here, and you can update it. So again, we have the same drop-down list that we do in the desktop version, and tabs for additional information, more information, and so on. You're built. So this just gives you an idea of what's possible with the web-based supplement to Mind Your Own Listings. In fact, we think some people may want to only use the web-based version, but we really think there's advantages to both the desktop and the web-based application. I'll just show you one more feature. When you have a property selected, you can choose from a number of predefined reports. You can then view them on the screen, send them to your printer, or save them in different file formats. You can save the files as a PDF file, a web page. For example, just like on the desktop edition, if you create a report and want to use that on your website, you could export the file to an HTML file and give that to your webmaster, upload it yourself, and save it there. So here's a report created for this property and shows the related information. And your options here, of course, are to open as a PDF file, an HTML file, as I mentioned, and you could save that file and give it to your webmaster, webmistress, and have them upload it to your website. So we think there's some good benefits to the web version of Mind Your Own Listings. Now here we're seeing the web-based report saved as an HTML file. Just a couple other things. You can look at related files here as well. If you're logged in as administrator, you can do some things like the users and roles, administer those things from the screen. We do have a scheduler feature, similar to the desktop application. For those of you that don't use Outlook or similar program, you could use the scheduling features built in to Mind Your Own Listings and access your events from either the desktop version or the web edition as well. Thanks for watching. Check back for more videos soon.